Okay, I got this auto trim and molding tool set. It's a five-piece package from Harbor Freight tool. Um, this is in preparation for the dash cam I'm gonna buy soon. It's on the planning stage, but I got this for multi-purpose, and this thing I'm gonna use for my uh, separation of the headliner and the water stripping, just in case I put the cord all the way up the ceiling, all the way down the floor of my Grand Cherokee. So this will help. I believe this is the one I'm going to use. This one here. It won't scratch the surface. It won't scratch the panelings because it's a solid nylon bar tool. So I'm gonna open it now. Hopefully you can see it. Hold on. Check here. Okay. Let's see how we do here now. Oh, I don't know why they made this so tight. I got one out. I got one out here. So that's one. And this one I'm going to use right here. I think. Oh there. So I got two out. I don't know. Okay, let's for now. I got two out. This is what I'm gonna use. Okay. Okay, that's all for now.